you could have the best messaging, the best lead magnets, tons of people coming into your community. But unless you have the transition to that part where they can actually use your product, then they're frustrated and you're frustrated. Focus on what you need, the piece that you need, which is the part that where you're struggling right now. That's where you need to focus. That's where you need to do things. But I would say just go take some action and do it.
Yeah,
Here's the thing that I say to a lot of my clients. You've already had a bunch of no's, right? You've already presented and people haven't been working with you. So what have you got to lose? Try it a different way. Try saying it differently, like use that, because you've already got some, if there's this huge fear of rejection, well, that's what you've been getting. Let's actually use the things that make sense to you, that make sense to your prospect. And some of those no's are going to become yeses. Take the information, figure out your transition and where it is and what's going on, and just start doing it. Like, just get out there and start doing it. And now that you kind of have a sense of, the different parts, you'll say, okay, this is definitely where my issue is. And then now you have the awareness and you can overcome it. Okay. Because all of you have it in you. All of you have it in you to help people and to serve and to do. And it's just that connection that you need to make sure that they have a way to work with you. So get out of your own way, have that transition, and then make the offer. And you'll get more sales. For sure, you'll get more sales.